Hello, and welcome to VVO Money School. My name is Nancy Victor, and this channel is for people who want to learn how to make money online the right way. Not with hype, not with shortcuts, but with wisdom, clarity, and purpose. If you're planning to start making money online, or you've already started but you're struggling, this first video is very important. Before strategies, before tools, before courses, there is something you must not forget. Let's get into it.
Don't forget the God who gives you the power to create wealth as you plan to start making money online. Before you start making money online, before you watch another tutorial, before you buy another course, we would like you to pause and watch this video first. This video will reveal to you one very dangerous mistake many beginners make, which quietly destroys their efforts. The mistake is not lack of knowledge. It is not laziness. It is not lack of capital. Stay with us, for this video will reveal the mistake to you and help you avoid it, as well as save you months or even years of frustration. Welcome to VVO Money School, a channel that is dedicated to helping beginners like you make money online, honestly, practically, and with purpose. If you are new here, this is the best place to start. Let me be clear from the beginning. This video is not a sermon, it is not a church message, and it is not a religious preaching. It's all about real-life advice for anyone planning to make money online or already trying but not seeing results. Please watch and listen to it with an open mind. As you prepare to start your online journey, blogging, YouTube, affiliate marketing, freelancing, or any online business, do not forget the God who gives you the power to create wealth. This matters more than you think. Let me tell you a short but important story. A young man wanted to make money online. He watched YouTube videos every day. He bought courses. He joined Telegram and WhatsApp groups. He learned copywriting. He learned SEO. He learned social media marketing. He worked hard, very hard. Months passed. Nothing worked. Sometimes he made small money, but it never lasted. One day, frustrated, he said to a friend, "I've tried everything. This online thing is not working." The friend asked him one simple question. "Have you talked to God about it?" The man who complained laughed. "This is business, not church," he said. Years later, he admitted something painful. He had knowledge, he had skills, he had discipline, but he never carried God along. When he finally did, his decisions became clearer, his timing improved, and his results changed. That realization changed everything. If you're finding value in this so far, go ahead and like this video. It lets us know you want more content like this, and it helps this channel grow. What does it mean to carry someone along? To carry someone along simply means to keep the person informed, involved, and included. So, carrying God along, in this context, means talking to him about your plans, updating him regularly in prayer, admitting your challenges, asking for wisdom and direction. It does not mean sitting idle. It does not mean avoiding hard work. It means working with guidance, not guesswork. Think about this. When you buy a new phone, a television, or a laptop, what do you do first? You read the instruction manual. Why? Because the manufacturer knows the product best. So why would you enter the world of making money online using the internet you did not create without carrying along the one who created all things and gives power to create wealth? Here's a hard truth many people ignore. There are millions of people online with more knowledge than you, more skills than you, more experience than you, yet they are still struggling. Why? Because knowledge alone is not enough. Hard work alone is not enough. Skills alone are not enough. Knowledge without God is limited. Hard work without God is exhausting. It becomes like chasing shadows. This is not about spiritualizing business. God does not replace effort. God directs effort.
When you carry him along, you stop guessing. You begin to move with clarity. And yes, with God, making money online becomes possible. So, before you start your blog, your YouTube channel, your online business, first thing first, carry God along. Carry him along as you plan. Carry him along as you learn. Carry him along as you act. Because it is he who gives the power to create wealth, both online and offline. May God guide your steps. May he bless your efforts. May he frustrate anything that tries to frustrate your progress. Amen. If this message spoke to you, if it reminded you to pause, reflect, and carry God along as you plan to make money online, then do 3 simple things for us. First, like this video. It helps YouTube show this message to someone else who needs it. Second, subscribe to VVO Money School. This channel is for everyday people who want to make money online the right way, with wisdom, patience, and purpose. And finally, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. In the next episode, we'll answer the 2 most common questions asked by beginners who want to start making money online. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and we'll see you in our next video.